Hey friends from Uplift Wisdom, Miss Fry misses you. It's been a long time since we've seen each other, so it warms my heart that you are joining me today and participating in the activities. And I want to give a shout out to my friends that have sent me videos and pictures. I love getting those videos and pictures, and it just makes my day. So today we will be starting a new learning series based on word families. So you might say, what are word families? Word families are a group of words that end the same way. And today we will be learning about the at family. So this is the at family. That means all the words that we'll be working with today end with the at sound. Let's take a look at the words on this page that end with the at sound. Rat, cat, hat. What's he doing, friends? He sat, pat, bat, and fat. So friends, these are all words that end with the at sound, and we will be playing a little game where we will replace the first sound to change the word. All right, let's begin. Okay, friends, before we start making words, let's go over the picture cards that we have that end with at. Our first picture is a picture of a meow. That's right, a cat. Say cat. Good job, friends. Our next picture card that ends with at is a bat. Good job, friends. Say bat. Our next picture card that ends with at is something you put on your head, and there's so many different styles. This is a hat. Say hat. Awesome job, guys. Our next picture card is something you put in front of your door at your home. So before you walk in, you usually have to wipe your feet on this. And a lot of them say welcome, but the item is called a mat. Say mat. Awesome. And our last picture card is a picture of somebody sitting, but we will use the word sat for this card. Say sat. Excellent. Okay, friends. We've already acknowledged that all of these words end with the at sound. So I'm going to put a letter at the beginning of at, and I want you to tell me what word we're making. All right, if I put H in front of at, let's sound it out. At. Let's do it a little bit faster. At. One more time, a little bit faster. Hat. All right, friends, I want you to touch the picture on your screen, or point if you're sitting on the couch. When I count to 3, point to the picture that this word spells. At. 1, 2, 3. If you pointed to hat, you got that correct. Good job, friends. High five somebody in the room. All right, friends, if I change the in hat to all right, friends, sound it out with me. At. Let's do it a little faster. at. A little bit faster. At. Okay, friends, on the count of 3, point to the picture that this word spells. Ready? 1, 2, 3. If you pointed to sat, you got that correct. Good job, friends. All right, if I replace the s in sat to k, what is the new word? Let's sound it out. K, at. Let's do it a little bit faster. K, at. One more time, a little bit faster. K, at. All right, friends. On the count of 3, I want you to point to the picture that this word spells. Ready? 1, 2, 3. If you pointed to cat, you got it correct. Awesome job. You guys are doing fantastic. If I change the C in cat to the letter M, what word did we make now? Let's sound it out together. At. Now let's do it a little faster. Mat. All right, friends. On the count of 3, point to the picture that this word spells. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Did you point to the mat? If you did, you got that correct. Good job, friends. 2 thumbs up. If we change the in mat to a b, what is the new word? Let's sound it out. B, at. A little faster. B, at. One more time, a little faster. B, at. All right, friends, on the count of 3, point to the picture that this word spells. 1, 2, 3. If you pointed to bat, you got it correct. Awesome job, friends. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.